Welcome, Divine Seekers. Today we're connecting with Mebahel, Mebahel, the 14th of the 72 Guardians of the Galaxy, who specializes in divine justice, liberation from oppression, and truth restoration to free you from unjust circumstances and establish righteous order on your path to spiritual freedom. Cosmic ID Card. Name: Mebahel, pronounced Mebahel. Position: 14th of the 72 Shem HaMepharash angels. Meaning: Guardian God, or God who liberates. Zodiac domain: 56 degree 60 degree of Aries. Element: fire. Ruling planet: Mars with Mercury influence. Number vibration: 14. Direction: east-southeast. Choir: Hashmalim Dominions. Divine specialties. Mebahel is Heaven's liberation and justice specialist. This celestial defender releases souls from unjust circumstances and oppressive situations, creates pathways to freedom when trapped in unfair conditions, transforms oppression into divine justice and liberation, specializes in restoring truth when it has been suppressed, masters the art of divine intervention in legal matters, helps manifest righteous outcomes in disputes and conflicts, guides truth seekers toward uncovering and sharing liberating knowledge. Biblical connection. Mebahel's power is anchored in Psalm 9:10. The Lord is a refuge for the oppressed, a stronghold in times of trouble. Those who know your name trust in you, for you, Lord, have never forsaken those who seek you. In Hebrew, Vihi Yiva Mishgab Ladak, Mishgab, Litvot Batsara, Vipthv, Bikasha Ivade Shmeka, Ki Loe Azapta Dorsheka Yava. When you recite this verse during Mebahel's hours, you're activating this angel's liberating justice energy in your life. When to call Mebahel. When facing unfair treatment or oppressive circumstances. During legal matters requiring divine justice. When truth has been suppressed or distorted. To find liberation from restrictive situations or relationships. When seeking freedom from past injustices or karmic patterns. To restore balance in unequal power dynamics. When defending yourself or others against unjust accusations. Sacred timing. Peak hours, 4:20 to 4:40 a.m. and p.m. Power days, Tuesday and Wednesday. Lunar phase, waning moon. Best month, April when Sun is in Aries. Astrological period, April 26th, 30. Crystal connections. Amazonite, primary stone that amplifies Mebahel's justice energy. Aquamarine, promotes clear truth-speaking and liberation. Sodalite, enhances truthful communication and justice-seeking. Clear quartz, amplifies intentions and justice declarations. Blue kyanite, cuts through deception and reveals truth. Turquoise, creates protective energy during liberation processes. Pro tip: place Amazonite and blue kyanite over your throat chakra during meditation when seeking Mebahel's guidance for liberating truth-speaking and justice restoration. Botanical allies. Bay laurel, traditional herb of victory and justice. Lemon balm, brings clarity and lightness to oppressive situations. Frankincense, elevates prayers and justice petitions. Mint, cuts through stagnant energy and brings fresh perspective. Rosemary, strengthens memory and truth recall in legal matters. Cedar, creates enduring foundations for righteous outcomes. Color energies. Turquoise, primary color connection. Blue, secondary vibration. Green, for balance and restoration. White, for truth and pure justice. Shadow aspects to watch. When Mebahel's energy becomes distorted, we might experience vengeance rather than restoration, self-righteousness rather than balanced justice, becoming overly combative in pursuing rights, misidentifying personal preferences as universal justice, imbalance between justice and mercy, using liberation energy to escape necessary growth, fighting battles that aren't yours to fight. My personal Mebahel story. After years in ministry, the 72 angels guided me through a profound transformation when I faced severe injustice that threatened my reputation and work. I had been misrepresented by individuals who deliberately distorted my teachings and intentions, creating a situation where truth seemed buried under layers of falsehood. In my darkest moment, I questioned whether truth would ever prevail against coordinated deception. The contrast between knowing my authentic intentions and seeing them willfully misrepresented created intense spiritual distress. That's when Jesus revealed deeper wisdom about divine justice, showing me that I had misunderstood the nature of spiritual liberation. True freedom wasn't about vindication in others' eyes, but alignment with divine truth, regardless of external validation. This revelation began shifting my entire approach to the situation. During this transformation, Mebahel appeared as a powerful liberator in my life. This angel taught me that justice isn't about winning, but about truth being restored in divine timing. I experienced unexpected vindication when key individuals recognized the deception and publicly restored truth. Mebahel didn't just improve my circumstances. This angel reshaped my entire understanding of divine justice as liberation from attachment to outcomes, rather than merely receiving favorable judgments. Powerful invocation ritual. Create a sacred space with turquoise and white candles in a square formation. Place Amazonite and blue kyanite in front of you. Burn bay laurel or frankincense as offering. At Mebahel's hour, recite Psalm 9:10 3 times. Speak. Mebahel, divine defender of truth and justice, I call upon your celestial power to liberate me from oppression and restore righteous order. Guide me from constraint into freedom, from injustice into divine balance. Sit in meditation, visualizing a turquoise light entering your throat chakra, expanding to surround any situation needing justice or liberation. Journal any insights about your path to freedom immediately after. Close by, expressing gratitude for Mebahel's liberating and justice-restoring presence. Mebahel's angelic signature. Mebahel's energy signature often appears as a turquoise or blue flash in meditations or dreams. Sudden clarity about unfair situations. A cooling sensation at the throat chakra. Seeing the number 14 repeatedly. Dreams of breaking free, removing chains, or speaking powerful truth. Unexpected opportunities to clear your name or restore justice. Situations shifting suddenly in favor of truth and fairness. How you'll know it's working. Feeling lighter, as though invisible burdens are lifting. Greater capacity to speak truth without fear. Enhanced ability to recognize and address injustice appropriately. Synchronicities involving the number 14. Oppressive circumstances beginning to dissolve. A renewed sense of personal sovereignty. Intuitive nudges guiding you toward liberation strategies. Finding yourself naturally protected from unjust accusations. Remember, Mebahel doesn't just help with justice. This angel transforms your entire relationship with truth and freedom itself. When you connect with Mebahel, you're not just experiencing better outcomes, you're upgrading your entire approach to liberation, divine justice, and truth restoration in all areas of life.